Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be trying out the Urban Decay new Stay Naked Hydro Maniac Tinted Glow Hydrator. And I'm just really excited to try this out because first of all, I love Urban Decay products. They're just truly amazing. And honestly, I was looking for like a really nice hydrating foundation from them. I do get it from the Stay Naked foundation, but I wanted something more, like something very hydrating and very glowy, and I feel like this is going to be it. And it is a tinted foundation, so we're gonna see how this works. If I'm not mistaken, it is going to be launching today, so if you guys want to check it out, make sure you guys are shopping the link down below and you guys can check it out. Just want to tell you guys, it is not sponsored. They sent this over to me in PR, so I'm super excited to try this out. I am going to be doing a wear test, so I am going to be filming some clips of me wearing it in different lighting so you guys can see. Before we start the video, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys are subscribed and hit that notification to know when I post another video. And I think that's it. That's all I gotta say, and let's just go ahead and get started. I just want to show you guys the packaging really quick. The packaging looks like this, and we're gonna open it. Before I open it, I do want to say that it says that it's up to 24-hour hydration, lasting all day. Moisture skin is significantly hydrated for after 24 hours. Up to 24-hour glow, dewy, juicy finish, healthy looking skin glow, and up to 24-hour wear, weightless, medium coverage, looks fresh all day, and it has kombucha, filtrate, and marula oil, and it's a vegan formula, so it does not contain any animal driven ingredients or byproducts. So I just want to let you guys know that information about this. They did send over for the shade 41 light medium, so I don't know if that's going to be my shade. We just have to wait and see. I'm not sure. And they actually have 12 shades available, and they sent over this little thing right over here showing you guys this. When I find out the price, I will be putting the price here for you guys so you guys can see it. So we're gonna go ahead and try it out because I feel like that is why we're here. For my primer, I am going to be using the Urban Decay face primer. This all-nighter face primer is just chef's kiss, so good. So we're gonna go ahead and prime our face and make sure that we are primed and ready to go. Now that that's done, we're gonna go in with the foundation. So I'm gonna open it right here so you guys can see how it looks on the inside, and it looks like this. You guys, I do not know if this is gonna be my shade. We're gonna have to see. But it looks really nice. I love how it looks very like metallic-y. Very nice. The packaging is so nice, and I actually like the fact that it's like a squeezable one because I just like to squeeze it behind my palm here and just kind of grab a little bit of that. That's all I'm gonna get. And I am going to be using my Juno & Co sponge because this is the one that I use all the time. So we're gonna go ahead and just apply this. Okay, that looks really nice and glowy. I can see that already. And you could tell, I feel like it's a light to medium coverage. It's not like full coverage because I could still see like some of my imperfections, you could say. Now, let's see if I can cover some of my freckles here. Okay, I feel like it is covering some of my freckles. You could still kind of see through them, which I don't mind. I actually like to kind of see a little bit of my freckles, my natural freckles. I'm going to have to grab a little bit more product because I just feel like I need it. Like, that's all I have left. So I'm going to add a little bit more. So far, I am liking the way it's looking on my skin. It looks very like skin-like foundation, which is actually not bad at all. I appreciate that, and I like that a lot. Sometimes I'm not in the mood to do like foundation, especially this year. This whole 2020 has been insane, so I feel like sometimes I don't really need that much foundation, especially when you have to wear the mask. I feel like it just breaks me out even more. But this feels really nice because I feel like it looks like skin still, and I actually like that a lot. I feel like it's looking like skin. I don't know if you can see that, how it just looks really nice. I don't think it's like my shade. Actually, it doesn't look that bad because I feel like when I put concealer, it will kind of blend everything together. But I actually really like it. I feel like this would be perfect foundation for like when it's summer for me. I actually really like that. So we're gonna go ahead and add some concealer. For my concealer, I am going to be using the Stay Naked. This is in the shade 40 NN. So we're going to be using this to conceal and see how that blends in together. gonna just blend this with my beauty blender. And you guys, so far I feel like it's feeling, when it's settling in my skin, it actually feels really, really nice. So I like that a lot. And it's blending out the concealer very, very nicely. It's okay. I'm not gonna say that I love it because I don't know exactly how it's gonna look when I powder everything with my blush, bronzer, and like the whole look together. But you're just gonna have to wait and see how it wears. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and we're gonna just kind of set under the eye really quick. I don't like to set my whole face. I only like to set under the eye and any specific areas that I put the concealer in, because I don't like to look so baked, especially since I have dry skin. I feel like it just doesn't help me. But I just like so far the way my skin is looking. I feel like it is looking very, very, very nice, and I appreciate it. It looks like skin. I don't feel heavy. I don't feel cakey. I like this. So I'm going to go ahead and do my brows off camera, and I'll be right back. So now I'm going to go in with my bronzer. This is going to be the Maybelline New York Fit Me in Cafe. I like to use this to like cream contour. It's not contour more, but like kind of cream bronze. It just feels like it gives it like a nice, dewy, more glowy look. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of add this right over here. And do you guys see how glowy my skin is looking? Like, what? Like, oh my god, that is looking so, so nice. I can see the difference already. Like, I look super, super glowy. It just looks amazing so far. So we're going to go ahead and blend this out. Do you guys see how stunning the skin is looking? Like, it's looking so good. The foundation is honestly, wow. Like, I'm a little impressed right now. I actually like that a lot. I feel like my skin is actually looking super good. So that makes me really, really happy. Now I'm going to go in and set a little bit that bronzer with a little bit of powder bronzer. So I'm going to go in with my Benefit Hoola bronzer just to kind of set everything down a little bit and get ready for the blush. I feel like the powder and like the creams and everything is not moving the foundation at all, and it just looks really nice all together. And these are like my go-to products, so like the fact that it's looking nice with my go-to products, that actually means a lot to me, and I actually appreciate that a lot, because I can actually use this foundation and use the same products that I use, and it's going to look flawless so far. Now for my blush, I am going to be using the new e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is their putty blush. Using their new putty brush here, and I'm going to be using this since it's like a cream to powder finish. I want to use this onto the face and just add a little bit of a blushy moment. Oh, this is so nice. This is looking really, really nice, and it is not lifting the foundation whatsoever. It just looks really nice and flawless. Let me know in the comments below what are your guys' thoughts so far on this foundation and how it's looking on the skin. Is there any Urban Decay products that have worked for you and you're just like, you know what, I need to try this? Have you guys used their Stay Naked concealer and their foundation? Because I feel like they're actually really, really good, and I just want to know. Let me know in the comments below. Add a little bit of highlights. I am going to go in with my Milk Makeup, my Flex highlighter, and I'm going to go in with this. This is in the shade Lit. And I just want to see, oh, you guys, I'm like loving so far the way my skin is looking. The complexion is looking very, very nice. You guys see how glowy that is looking? Wow, that is amazing. I feel like I've said amazing so many times in this video. I am so sorry in advance. I'm going to hate myself when I'm editing this video, but can't stop saying it if that's exactly what I feel. That's done. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. It's one of my favorite setting sprays ever, and I like to always set my face after I'm done doing it because I feel like it just kind of completes the whole face and it just makes it look really good. So we're gonna go ahead and set. Ooh, that feels really, really nice. Now that my face is all done, and I feel like now that I'm looking at it, it just looks really nice, and actually the color doesn't look bad. I feel like it kind of does match a little bit. I am a little always lighter on my neck, and honestly, like my neck, I'm like literally different colors on my skin everywhere. Like I don't match. I don't match. I don't know why. My legs are so pale. Only if you guys knew. Only if you guys knew. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera, like the rest of my eyes and my lips, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I am back, and now that the face is all finished, I'm gonna go ahead and just move on with my day and give you guys updates so far on the makeup. But so far, you guys, the face is looking really, really nice and flawless. So far, this is the update. I will put the time here that it is and let you guys know when the day goes on, so you guys can see the result and how it wears. So you guys will see me in a bit. Okay, you guys, so I came to the window right here in my house. You guys can see how it looks when it's like daylight. And you guys, this is literally, sorry you guys, I'm trying to hold my freaking camera and the curtain. But so far, this is how it's looking. Do you guys see how my skin is looking? The complexion is looking very, very nice. The finish of this foundation is looking really good. I'm actually really impressed, and you guys can still see that it is a medium wear. You guys can see my moles here, and so far it looks really, really nice. So we're gonna keep updating you guys to see how this wears. See ya. You guys, so I came outside so you guys can also see how it looks with the sun, and this is how my skin is looking so far. You guys, the sun's slowly going down, so I wanted to get it before it went down, but it's looking very, very nice. So far, I am loving it. I feel like I'm not wearing any foundation, which is always a good thing, but it's looking very, very beautiful. I'm like, you guys, I'm obsessed. It's just stunning. Okay, you guys, another update. So this is my face right now. I'm gonna try to get some lighting. I feel like it just looks like natural skin, and that's something I like, to be honest. Sometimes I don't like it when it looks too cakey, but I actually like the way it's looking right now. I just came back from the grocery because I had to go get some stuff for the house. So yeah, so far this is how it's looking, and it's not bad. It actually looks very dewy. I'm guessing it's because of the hydration that it has. So I actually like that. I'm more into that, which I'm still very happy about. I mean, I don't have any dryness or anything like that. I feel like I do have a little bit foundation off here because I had the mask on. You know, I think that's normal. But I mean, it doesn't look bad. I actually really like it. So far, so good. So I will be giving you guys another update whenever I can. And yeah, that's probably it, you guys. Peace. Okay guys, so this is the last check-in, and it's currently like 9 p.m. and I'm tired and I want to take off this makeup, but this is the last check-in so you guys can see how my foundation is looking. I did wear a mask, so I feel like some of it did come off here, but it's nothing too bad. As you guys can see, I mean, obviously it looks like weared off already a little bit, but it's nothing too bad. I feel like I like the way my skin literally looks. It literally feels like skin, and I like that. I just do recommend that if you have oily skin, I don't recommend this foundation for you because it is kind of like a hydrated, dewy kind of foundation, and I feel like with people with our oily skin, this can be a problem unless you prime very, very well. You guys, I actually love this, and I'm going to continue to use it because I actually like the finish, and I feel like this has become one of my favorites. To be honest, I am obsessed, and Urban Decay did that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think and how this foundation looked on my skin? What are your guys' thoughts? Would you guys try this? Thank you guys so much again. If you guys are not following me on my Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, make sure you guys are following me there. And if you guys are still not part of my family at this point of this video, come on, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification to know when I post another video. And that is the end of the video, you guys. Thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.